Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is how I make potato and banana puree for my 4-month-old. I started by setting aside one potato. I use sweet potato. You can use Irish potato if you prefer that, but I prefer to use sweet potato, and I had to cut it in small pieces and I put it in water. I went in to turn on the hot plate and let it get hot for some time. Then I put a pot with some water and I added the washed sweet potato in it.
A few moments later.
I used this opportunity to clear the kitchen and do some other things while the sweet potato was boiling. I already put some clothes in the washing machine, so I had to unload it and dry it out, and I left it to boil. So since this is for my little one, I had to leave it for some time to get softened. Then I went ahead to put it into the blending, whatever it's called, and I set aside a little bit for later. I like to use the water from the sweet potato. Then I added a little bit of banana. You can add whatever fruit you like. If you're adding carrot, you need to boil it alongside or separately so it gets soft. If you're using apple, anyone you like. Then I blend it until it is smooth. I like to use this this smoothie blender, because I prefer to use a separate blender for her rather than using the same blender I use for everyone at home. Here I just went ahead to transfer the blended puree, sweet potato and banana, into this little jar. So many people use it as a spice jar, but I prefer to use it as food jar for my little one because it's better for me. It gives the perfect quantity, and as you can see, the puree is so soft, and she loved it. She loved this puree. Next thing is to section it into the little spice jar, and I will leave it to cool down, after which I transfer it into the refrigerator. You can decide to put it in the refrigerator or freeze it. If you put it in the refrigerator, you leave it for up to 2 days, but oftentimes when I put it in the refrigerator, I use it like the next day or maybe in the evening if I just blended this in the morning. Or if you freeze it, it's much more easier for me because I have a little water heater for it. You can stay up to 3 months, and this is the leftover which I just had to give her for that particular day. Trust me, this is one of our favorites, and I love it. Sometimes I take a little scoop of it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later in my next video.